Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most reliable ways people are getting working Sora 2 invite codes right now. These are the methods that actually work. No scams, no clickbait, just what the community is using to get access as fast as possible. So let's jump right into it. The first method people rely on is the official OpenAI Discord server. This is where admins, early testers, and verified community members drop fresh codes all the time. If you're not on Discord yet, create an account and then search for the OpenAI server in the Discovery tab. Once you're inside, head straight to the channel dedicated to Sora invites. You'll see members posting active codes throughout the day, and they get claimed insanely fast. Because Discord uses real-time WebSocket updates, the moment someone posts a code, it shows up instantly. So make sure you keep the channel open, turn on notifications, and even set keyword alerts for Sora 2 invite. If the server happens to go down, which actually happened recently, the backup plan is to jump onto Reddit and check what people are posting there. But overall, this Discord method has one of the highest success rates because the codes come directly from the source. Just don't spam or break the rules if you want to keep access. Another method that consistently works is Reddit. Communities like r/OpenAI have dedicated mega threads where people share codes, usually with timestamps, so you know whether they're fresh. When you're browsing, sort by new, so you're seeing the latest post, and use Reddit's search filters to find anything that contains invite code. The more active you are in the community, the better your chances. People are much more likely to send codes to users who contribute instead of accounts that looked empty. And Reddit's upvote system naturally pushes trustworthy posts to the top, which helps you avoid fake or expired codes. Still, if you do get a code, try redeeming it right away because they don't last long. Another method that works surprisingly well is checking X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Because everything moves fast there, users often post codes publicly before they disappear. All you have to do is search for phrases like Sora 2 invite code or Sora 2 access, and you can filter for replies or posts with higher engagement. You can even enable notifications on accounts linked to OpenAI, so you get alerts whenever they tweet something related to Sora. Hashtags like Sora2 and OpenAI also help you track conversations in real time. A lot of people reply to posts offering extra codes, so engaging with those threads increases the chances that someone will send one your way. Just be careful with random DMs, stick to public interactions to avoid phishing attempts. These are the three methods people are using successfully right now. None of them guarantee a code instantly, but if you stay active, monitor the right channels, and engage with the community, your chances go way up. Alright, that's the full breakdown. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which method you're trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.